Hey everyone, and welcome to English 155 Children's Literature Online. So this video is intended to give you an overview of how to navigate the course and answer some questions you might have. Now this layout is based off using an internet browser on a laptop or desktop computer, so it's not going to look quite the same on your phone. First off, this right here is the home page. The first page you'll see when opening up the course. The table of contents is here. You scroll down, and it's basically your portal to all the other pages you need to access for the semester. You also have a to-do list on the right, and everything else that's coming up will show up right here. And this helps, to keep your assignments in order and see what's coming up next, just to keep you on task. The main thing you'll want to look at is the weekly tasks button down here on the table of contents. And it'll take you to the module section to your assignments organized by week. It's probably going to be the button you'll be clicking most often, but I'll get back to that one since that's the most involved. So we'll start with syllabus and tools. Each button in the table of contents will take you to the syllabus, discussion board, etc. And you'll also access those pages at the menu to the left over here. But I usually find that the table of contents is a little bit more accessible. So yeah, let's start with syllabus and tools, which is the very first button. So under this link, you'll find all the info you need for the course in terms of syllabus and what to expect, including tutorials like this video here. And, if you clicked here, you'd get the PDF file for the syllabus, which goes over policy, where to contact me, objectives for the course, all that stuff. And if you go back to the home page, to the table of contents again, you'll find a list of readings you'll need listed by week. Whoops. Why is that not available? Hold on. It's not published. Okay. So, let's take you back there. Click on readings. Now you can see these are all the children's books that you'll need to read for the annotations assigned every week. You can have the option to purchase these books. There's the Huck text, which is your children's literature main textbook, Where the Wild Things Are, Little House, Goodnight Moon. Those will be what we'll be going over week 2. So you want to say, for example, for week 1, you're going to go in and look for week 2 and make sure you can find those books either through the library or purchasing them. I recommend using your library card to check them out. Don't be overwhelmed by how many books we're going to get through. Most are very short since they're picture books or chapter readers, and anything longer will get split up into sections, so you shouldn't have any trouble at all managing the workload. Okay. So again, let's go back to the table of contents, and we have the projects link. And this is where you'll find your project assignments, such as your group assignments and other tutorial videos, again, to click through once we get to that point. And if you look again, this is not the student view. If you look at the announcements, you can find, that's the set button, click that button right there. You can find all the announcements that I send to you. You should check this regularly and frequently since I'll be doing most of my communication with you as a whole through announcements since I can't ever see you face to face. This should be the first thing you click when you log into the course, and you should make sure to check it every day. Now, the discussion forum is where you'll be posting a lot of your work that your peers and I can give feedback for participation, just like the initiation post you guys just recently did. I'll be pinning the discussion for the current week at the top, and you can see the upcoming ones won't show anything yet, and since you'll only have access for the respective week that will be in. And then we have grades here. Oh, again, guess, think you don't have access to it unless you've gotten grades already. So this is the test student grades. And this is what you'll see when you click on grades. So there's a grade for the initiation post, and then there's a video quiz. Once you've watched this video tomorrow, the quiz will be available to complete. And there's a really cool feature to calculate how many points you have out of the total for the semester. And you can also calculate a what-if grade to imagine what your grade might be. Which, you can calculate, and I won't even get to see what that is. You'll just be able to do it on your own. And then finally, there's the contact page that has my email and phone number, and you can also email me through Canvas over here in your inbox. But I think the quickest way to email me, like it says here, is to use my Gmail email here, because I go straight to my phone, so you'll get the quickest reply, which, as it states on the syllabus, is within 24 hours. So make sure when you have something you need to talk about, you give me enough time to respond to you, and also enough time after that to complete an assignment. That's pretty much everything in terms of where to find things for the course. If you'd rather use the left-hand navigation bar, you can do that as well. But I think, I don't know, the table of contents just seems a little bit more conducive to me in terms of where to find everything. So yeah, so don't hesitate to message or email me for anything concerning the class and any questions about the tutorial. So thanks, guys. I'm looking forward to a great semester.